and deeply troubling fact that State House, Nairobi, has become less a seat of national leadership and more a theater of betrayal, a scene of crime where backroom deals are struck, not in service of the Kenyan people, but in league with butchers of children in neighboring countries. Within those guarded walls, the future of our nation is battered away from crumbs of tokenism as the destiny of millions could be traded like cheap trinkets. Decisions made there do not echo with the voice of the people. They reek of the stench of greed, complicity, and moral decay, turning what should be the heart of our democracy into an auction house for our sovereignty and birthright of generations to come.